Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Pixel 5a device, and now I can show you how to make this device faster. So let's start with the question of why your phone is slowing down. Basically it's because your phone can't handle the load you have put on it. This is either because the phone is not powerful enough to do what you want it to do, or because you are not taking a good care of it. So you should always understand that every device is designed to perform a certain amount of tasks with a certain dynamic, and not every phone can give you the opportunity to work on it smoothly at high dynamic of use, and even with heavy tasks. But despite the above, if you follow the instruction I am about to give you, you will be able to keep your device always in good condition so that it works at its best. So the first aspect that can slow down your device is memory. If you will feel your memory over than 70% full, your device will start in slowing down, because your processor is searching for files into your memory, and when the memory is overloaded, processor can't find files quickly. Okay, so you need to free up the space in your device. So if you have unused applications, just remove it. So just find this application, click and hold in main menu, and just drag it to uninstall button. Click OK and wait a while. And great, application was successfully uninstalled. Of course, you can free up your memory uploading your photos and videos to the cloud storage. For example, Google Cloud, Google Drive, Google Photos application. This is a pre-installed application. Gives you 15 gigabytes for free, but you can use several Google accounts to have 15 gigabytes on other accounts. You can create 5, 6, 10 accounts, and you will have 100 gigabytes of free space, so you can merge it. And of course, you can use any other cloud storage. For example, Mega Drive gives you 50 gigabytes for free. So just check which of the cloud storages is better for you. So and the second aspect that can slow down your device is full RAM. All the processes are running at the moment are running in RAM. So here again the winners who bought the device with a more temporary storage. But if you want to free up the storage, just click on the square button on your screen and just unload running applications. Great, we have freed up our memory. And of course, the third aspect that can slow down your device is the files that are left over from running apps. Applications in the Android leaving behind a lot of junk unnecessary files that are not noticeable to the average user. So if you want to clean up these files, just open Files, Google Files application. This is pre-installed application. You don't need to download it. And here on the clean page, you will see junk files, and just click clear. Click clear, and great. As you can see, junk files was successfully cleared. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.